Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a SwitchBot Hub Mini. You guys can use it to control like multiple products, regardless if it's like a TV, like air conditioner, any kind of like devices or product that use like in-flare remote. You guys can actually pair it onto here, so you guys don't need to use that remote anymore. So let me actually open the product to show you guys what's inside first. So when we take out the product, this is basically what it provided inside. You guys can see. So here is the actual product itself right here, and then they provide us a little instruction card right here to teach you guys how to use it. And then they provide us a cable right here that is a USB to micro USB cable to charge up the product and activate it. And then they provide you this extra accessory that you can use to tape it on if you guys want to. But if you guys don't want to tape it on, you guys do have the option to like hook it on somewhere like this, if you guys can see. And it does have the anti-skid material to help prevent the product from moving when you guys are using it. And then if you guys look at the very bottom right there, they do have the output to actually plug in the actual cable itself to activate it. And then on the very top, they do have the button right here to pair the product up and everything. And last but not least, they have a logo right here, which is SwitchBot right there. And that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So let me actually go test this out really quick and show you guys how it works and everything and how to pair it up. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the product right here. So let me plug in the actual cable first. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, you should be able to see that light pops on right here. And basically, if it's your first time pairing the device, you guys want to press and hold this down for 2 seconds. And it should have like a rapid light, just like this. And then once you guys see this light, that means it's ready to be paired because this is the Bluetooth light. So you guys will need to download the SwitchBot app, which should look something like this. You guys can see. So I have all my devices all set up. So basically what I want to do is add device right here, click on the TV, click on the Sony, and I have my Sony TV remote right here. So all I have to do is click on any button after I click on Smart Learning. As you can see, the top light turns off, so just click on any button. And you can see that I found the device right here. So what you guys want to do right here in this step is to just click on any button and see when it actually works. And then if it doesn't work, then you guys want to click next on the bottom right here, and then we actually go to the next remote and just do the same thing and see when it actually works. If it doesn't work, then you go next one, and then keep going on and on until you guys find the right one. And then once you guys have the right one, then you guys can just click correct and save at the bottom right here, and then you guys are all set. And then you just do the same thing with all your other devices as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it's really easy to set up and everything. Just depends on like what kind of product you guys are using. So you guys have to use like a brand or product within their listings itself. So if you guys are using like a Bluetooth speaker or something that's not in their list, you guys probably have to like customize the actual remote if it's possible. If it's not possible, then it won't work. But like for example, in the test itself, you guys can see that I paired it onto my TV remote and it was like really easy. All you guys have to do is just find the remote, click on it, and then see which one is right for you guys, and then just start using it. And obviously if you guys have this product, you guys can pair it on to the actual product that they have as well. So like the thermometer or their actual SwitchBot product itself for the button pusher as well, you guys can use that on here as well. So definitely overall a really cool product if you guys are living in a home that has a lot of smart products or smart devices that essentially pair it onto this device, then it's actually really worth it. But then obviously for those who don't want or don't need one or have not one of these, especially if you guys don't like using smart home devices and everything, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have